Okay. Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are doing our monthly Boxycharm unboxing. I'm not gonna lie to you, I completely forgot that this was coming. I lost track of what day it was when it showed up. So it's always nice. It's always nice. I haven't really been makeup shopping, so it's always nice when you see little surprises, even though you're paying for it. Nice little surprises. But I do get the base box, which is $25 a month, and I'm just dropping everything. So okay, so as soon as you open it, you get a little pamphlet. I keep dropping things. All right, we're done showing things. Okay, so I get the base box. It's $25 a month, and as soon as you open it, you get the little pamphlet that tells you the theme, which is Dare to Dazzle. That's what it looks like, and on the back it tells you all the products you're receiving as well as the retail value. So we'll go through these step by step. The first product we're going to talk about is the one that I kept dropping twice, and this is from Luna Magic. This is a primer base for your eyelashes. I've actually never used an eyeshadow, a mascara or a lash base, and I have non-existent lashes, so you would think I would have tried using this right now. Well, at one point. I'm just kind of losing all of my I don't know. I'm kind of everywhere right now. All right, back. Okay, we're I don't know what all that was, but anyways, so first product is a Luna Magic Vava Pink Lash Primer. I've never used a lash primer. I have very non-existent eyelashes, so you would have thought by now I would have tried one of these, but I haven't. Apparently this is supposed to be pink. So it says, with just one sweep, this innovative primer mascara glides on to evenly coat and smooth your lashes to maximize final result of your favorite mascara. It has a natural wax formula, creamy texture. Okay, it adds volume, extra length, and easy to apply. Huh. Okay, well I'm really weird when it comes to mascaras. I don't open it until I'm ready to use it. So I will try it on camera for you guys and we'll see what it looks like and everything else. But this is supposed to be, it says this is a new launch product and this retails you for $25. The packaging is really cute, really nice. The box is nice and the actual packaging itself is really nice. So this next product is a product that I picked and I completely forgot about it. I had to go and look through my email to remember that I picked this. So this is the Able Skincare Hyaluronic Acid Age Recovery Night Cream. I'm always looking for night creams and just moisturizers, but this retails you for $114. This is supposed to restore your skin balance and give you hydration and nourishment and improve your skin texture. And it's supposed to also help with fine lines and wrinkles. We are not getting younger. We're not getting younger. So I am always looking for good creams and, you know, anything to prevent that aging process. It smells like oranges, right? Wait, hold on. Oh, that actually smells really nice. It smells expensive. And it feels really nice too. It doesn't feel greasy. So I'm going to leave this right here because I do want to use this. I have to always make sure that I leave all of the things that I want to use because they'll tend to go somewhere and I'll lose it and then forget about it and then rediscover it months later. So the next product is from Touch in Sol. It's a Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette. So this is what it looks like. I do really like Touch in Sol. Everything I have from them I really liked, so I'm very excited about this. I don't know what this looks like, but this retails you for $34. It's a multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that you can use, that uses your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect flirty flush. I'm just reading everything that's on here. It took a really long time for me to open it. Oh, okay. So this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. It's very artsy. I like it. Nice packaging. And lost little paper plastic that comes with it. Oh, okay. I'm not sure what I was expecting, but this wasn't it. I don't know. I smell everything. Let me kind of just swipe. Oh, okay. So I just kind of did a nice little swipe across. Let's see what that looks like. You know what? That's looking really, really nice. I don't know. I mean, like I said, I love everything touch and soul, but that's really pretty. I was not expecting that. I'm usually not someone that reaches for or I've ever had anything like this. So kind of excited. That was really pretty. I feel like on camera, it's not picking up the way it is on, right, you know, in person. I feel like this would be really nice all over the body too. Go to the beach, add on your, oh, just, it's, yeah, it's, I'm pretty excited about that. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, moving on to the next product. This is from Jekka Black. This is what it looks like. It's a hydrate primer. Oh, I'm so glad. I'm always looking for a new primer. So this one retails you for $20. It's a moisturizer that will help make your makeup laster. So this is supposed to be, I guess, a moisturizing, like a moisturizer and a primer all in one. Packaging is really cute. I just want to smell it. Want to smell it? I want to smell it and I want to feel it, but I don't want to waste it. It has a slight scent, right? Or am I smelling the other stuff that I put on my arms? I don't know. I feel like it has a very, very light scent, but nothing you would really notice. It feels like a moisturizer. It doesn't feel like a primer, because you know sometimes primers just have a certain feel to them versus a moisturizer. This kind of feels like a silky night cream, because it kind of feels a little thick but not overly thick. I don't know. I'm pretty excited about this too, because I've been needing a new primer anyways. So let me just move the things, and I'm dropping everything. Okay, next product is the last product that I got, and this is from Glam Glow. This is what it looks like. This is the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. This retails you for $32. And this is supposed to detoxify your skin by removing pore clogging, debris, excess oil, and face makeup. I love that these are just such big containers, or big, containers, products. The last Glam Glow product I received, I really, really liked it. So I'm hoping this works well. Yeah, I'm really hoping this works well. Let's open it. Let's smell it. Oh, it smells like licorice. It's a little charcoal gray looking. But yeah, this smells like licorice. So I will be trying this out and see how it works. My only struggle is when I use facial cleansers. I just want to make sure that I don't break out from products, because I have very, very sensitive skin. But the last couple of Glam Glow products that I've tried and received, I've really, really been loving. So I'm pretty excited about everything. I feel like it's not a very exciting box this month, but I'm going to make use of everything. Everything here I'm going to make use of. So for that reason, it's a good box. It's a good box. I like it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.